Okay, YouTube, I've located a screw to show you how to repair this. Yeah, the best way is first get your needle, as I showed you, and some string. Am I in focus?
Yeah.
Once you've got the needle and the string, pull the string out, which is very, very sticky and gooey. Feed it into the needle. It does go through. If not, get a different needle. And yeah, sometimes a little bit fiddly to get through because of the stickiness, but we are there. Here we go. So it's 50-50. There we go. Get a little bit of cement. Ready. Just put a little bit of cement on for a little bit of extra. Then you get the screw. You take the screw out. There we go. We can hear the air coming out now, can't we? Lovely. So the screw's out. You locate the hole. Twist a couple of times, pull back out. Get your cupping in. I would use something other than your sharps because you don't want all the rub all over your sharps. Yeah, cut it off flush, and there we go. Simple as that. Check the pressure, put it back on the vehicle. You're up and running. You got home, then you can get it sorted out. Okay, cheers. Thanks so much.